John Clint Porzuelo, Batangas, Tanga awardee and a MEMS marching band member. Franz Scheimer Cagyao Belleza, with honors, Kendak awardee, MEMS choir member, RSPC qualifier, radio broadcasting in Filipino, and fifth placer as best anchor. Jeron Margalan, Chiron Phil Galan,